Guys, today we have our MCEAL here, you can see this. Okay, so let's get started with our experiment. Okay, so guys, here we have our MCEAL. Let's take it out.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Here is our Sutli bomb. Okay,
So many things that I left
we have it here, and let's take one of them out. This is our Sutli bomb. Okay, so let's get started with our experiment. So guys, here we have mixed all our MCEAL, and now you can see this is in black color now. Okay, so let's place our Sutli here and cover it up. So let's do this. So guys, we have our Sutli bomb here. You can see now our MCEAL is rock solid. See our rock. This is our Sutli. Let's go. See this. See the place.